Oh, silly Julian, what are you doing?
Well, I can't see it.
Do you see what he's doing?
No.
Yeah, he's
Look.
eating corn.
He's pretending he's a bird.
So he gives himself some grades.
Julian, silly kitty, what do you think you're doing?
You beat him, Blog.
You're not a bird. You're not a bird, buddy.
Close it.
What do you think you're doing?
Ooh, the leaf just fell.
You're not a bird, buddy. Look, come here. Come on, Julian. I gotta show you something. Come on. Come on, bud.
Okay, Julian. Come on.
Come on, Julian.
Come on, buddy.
Gotta know. Come on, buddy. Look, come here. Look, Julian. Look, come here.
Let's go.
See, this is where your food's at. Oh, I know. Oh, you just want love? Is that what's up?
And he wants to eat. Gator, don't do that like that when he's eating.
He likes it.
What a silly kitty. See, your food's in here. It's not up in the bird feeder. Bird feeder's not for kitty cats, okay? Silly kitty. Signing out.
That's all the time we have for this day, guys. Bye!